afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for the half of March. Well, maybe 15 and a half, but March 15th, 2017. It's about 9 minutes after the close. Just had a really good session on Simpler Stocks Gold. So today, ES is down 8. Thin trading attributed to what's going on with the snowstorm, which also had to do with the airlines getting hit, which hit the transports that spooked the ESs. By the end of the day, ES is down 8. NASDAQ down 1250. The Russell down 720, was down almost 20. You have the bonds up 12, lending a little stability in here. The industrials down all of 44, just not much to write home about. This is the big deal. The transport's down 128. Now, like I said, there's some interesting stuff going on. We go over this on the premium side all the time about the Russell, which is reflected growth stocks, where the transports reflect a strong economy, with the bonds also selling off. Not today, but overall, the trend. Both of these very troubling, all these kinds of divergences going on. So to let you know, transport's down 128, near their lows for the year. Yeah, gold down 460, silver down all of 7 cents, and crude oil continuing its line down 40. Let me just, by the way, when we talk in Simpler Stocks Premium, we go over the MACD. We have a lot of learning videos of how to interpret this. The idea is when this is at support, price is always more important than any other support, and that oversold, you're not going to go down a lot. If you do, well, the probabilities are you're not going to make money on the short side. We also go over the ATR trailing stop, and as you can see, where to cover your shorts, just to let you know. So by the end of the day, crude oil only down 41. The high yield market down again, down 26. Dollar having a strong day. Advanced declines down only about 9.99, not a lot to speak of. The VIX up fractionally, fractionally. Now you have to understand, the VIX, the March futures are about to expire. So the VIX itself has to get up to where the VIX futures are, or vice versa. That's why the VIX was up 90. Yeah, the Nikkei down all of 100. The DE down, the DJ China. That's the DAX and the Chinese market respectively, down fractionally. So just to let you know, what we're watching in the market is what everybody else is watching. ES is on the left, up at these elevated levels. The Russell on the right. Now you might say, well, these look sort of the same, and I'll show you what I mean. Go put a 2-hour chart. And you might say, this is their support on the left. And you say, well, the Russell's their support too. Big deal. What you're missing is this is a 2-hour chart on the left. That's a daily on the right. The Russell on the right is where it started the year. The ESs, if you zoom out and put a daily, is 100 points higher than where it started the year. That's a gigantic divergence. So just keep that in mind. That's the warning sign everybody's watching. On the premium side, we're going to go over what strategies to take advantage of that divergence. So to let you know, we still have the $7 30-day trial. Includes the chat room. I'm on from 9 to 10 in the morning. Whether you like it or not, I'm there every day. Premium video, a lot more in depth than what you're hearing now. Email alerts. Let me just tell you on how the email alerts work. I put out at least 6 stock trades and chart ideas, at least 6 index charts every day. The unusual option activity, I've been putting in the premium video so we could go over it more extensively. These stock trades, this morning, a few evening charts. I actually did them last night. Look at the first one in here. I would be real careful shorting Tesla here. And I pointed out this bull flag on the right. That's from the actual email alerts last night. Look what Tesla did after that bull flag. Pretty proud of this one. You have to understand, a lot of our site is about making money, but also keeping you out of a jam. There's the bull flag I pointed out. As you see, the stock went up $11 in a bad market. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you can take us up on our $7 trial. Everybody have a great night, and I will talk to you tomorrow.